y'all. Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I got some Beetles PR. Finally, this is their Magic Witch Gel collection. It's 6 jelly gel polishes in this collection. Now I don't know if they have like a bigger option, but for today's video they sent over, just a little 6 piece. They're all cute. I actually don't have jelly colors in my collection, so I was actually grateful that I received this. I'm just showing y'all the pamphlet where it just show you like basic things, as far as how to apply gel polish and all that. If you want to read, just pause it and take a look at it. But I am going through this a little bit fast, and you can always reach out to them if you have any concerns. But yeah, you got a lot of stuff, a lot of informative information in this little cute pamphlet. But let's get into these gel polishes. Like I said, there are 6, and they're also numbered. They start with the D, so I don't know if you buy like a bigger they offer like bigger kits and stuff like that. So just be mindful of that. I don't know if they include these in there or this is something new. But yeah, it's 6 jelly colors. I am gonna swatch them really quickly for y'all. So just sit back and enjoy this, and I'll be right back after that. All right, y'all, we have finally swatched all 6 colors, and this is what they look like. They're very cute, very beautiful. And now for today's video, I am going to be doing like Gillette's type of vibe, just pressing these on. We're going to do a cute little nail set. What I wanted to do was some lava lamp nails. Now, they didn't turn out properly because I put too much top coat, so it basically ruined the 3D effect of the nails I use with the rhinestone glue. But as you see right here, I'm just using the flash cure lamp, and I'm just put some gel and some foot cover tips and calling it a day. I will link everything in the description box down below. I do have a code for the 6 piece gel polish kit from Beetles. You get 10% off, but the only thing is it's only limited to the 30th. I think that's a Saturday, just in a couple days. So if you want to, go ahead and get it and save 10% off. It will be linked down below along with all the other products that I am using. All right, so now I'm just thinking like which color should I use? And I was gonna originally just use only the red one and to do this set. But I was like, nah, let's use all of them except for the black jelly because it's pointless for me to use that for the vibe and the type of set I'm doing for today. So I am gonna just go ahead and do one coat. If you want it more opaque, you will have to build it up. Even though these are jelly colors, you can get a more opaque look just by building them up. But I didn't want that. I wanted mine to be actually a true jelly color. And outside of jelly colors, you can use them for shading and a whole lot of stuff. But anyways, back to this nail set. Um, I mentioned it earlier that I wanted to do like the lava lamp nails. Now I wanted to originally do it with acrylic, but I didn't want to have to take so much time building it out with acrylic and then painting the gel on top of it. I just felt like it was a lot, time consuming. So I just opt to just use the 3D gel, um, what is called the rhinestone glue to do the effect. But then again, I put the top coat on too thick, so it messed up the entire nail. So you can barely see that they're nails, but I did it. This definitely was a fail, but the nails are cute. I enjoy using these Beetles colors. I recently did an unboxing where I won one in like a giveaway, and it came with like 100 gel polishes. And recently, I've only been using the Beetles ones. I got other brands. I definitely love D&D. The Beetles are a little bit more affordable for everybody who wants to just dip and dab into colors and stuff like that without breaking the bank. But these little six-piece jelly colors are amazing. They do have a wide range of colors and stuff on their website, as well as on Amazon if you want to get it a little bit faster. But yeah, y'all. Off camera, I did matte my nails, and now I'm gonna be going in with some black. I didn't want to use the jelly black because I wanted a more opaque look, so I'm just going in with a regular true black. I'm going to be outlining and doing the lava lamp nails. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure y'all check out the description box for all the products that I've used today. And I will catch y'all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. Until next time. Bye.